recording. There is no news today, so we're just fully focused on the current price action to wait until it gets better. If I don't see this price action getting better by potentially 9:50 to 10ish, if the price action is not good, we just hop off the stream today, you know? As of right now, direction is very unclear for the market. Let me see. The range is huge today as well, so be aware of that. Yeah, just waiting until the market opens. We have like 7 minutes. 7 minutes here. Yeah, I mean, everyone just joined stream right now, so. Right now, market is kind of moving sideways, so not really going to be trading in this kind of condition. So just be aware of that. Yeah, a lot of downside potential as well, so let me check the range real quick. So yeah, today's range is actually huge, so even tiny movements is like huge amount of points, so just so you realize that. If you don't have a setup today, you're not going to trade. It's really based off the market condition, you know? You can't really try to lose profit in this kind of condition of the market. Should have a mini like bullish effect here, but right now, I honestly don't. I'm not trading right now, so just wait. Yeah, not really much to do right now, so. I'm technically still, I'm looking right now if you could potentially do a short. If it doesn't close, let me see. If it doesn't close above right here, should be able to kind of do a short. But as of right now, we are very close to market open, so just realize that. Very volatile today, huge amount of points, so just realize the contract sizing you're using, you know? Like all these movements is actually just Just very volatile today, so. It's way too volatile. I don't like the movement of this. So you could set it at break even if you want. Just leave position if you don't want to take a loss, you know. But otherwise, you could hold this position. Wouldn't want to see it go above right here. That's the thing. So, but just leave at break even if you want. Just leave at break even. It's kind of just become too volatile to hold. This is, yeah. This kind of movement is just. Could consider this as a bit of loss right here. I'm gonna consider a tiny bit of points right here, but that should be a small contract. Yeah, just hold off for now. Just hold off for now. Over target should still be like down here, but you'll see, you'll see. Yeah, original position still played out well, but I exited at break even technically, but I still got a tiny bit of loss because it spiked above, you know? As of right now, exit position close to the blue line. You're waiting now. Waiting. So kind of re-entered right here, but yeah. Did anyone hold this position entirely, or did everyone exit at like break even with tiny bit of loss? Is it a win for you guys? Just let me know if it's a win. Yeah, send in the chat if you think it's a win for you guys. Alright, that's good. That's good then. Yeah. And that's like 60 points right here. Or like 60 points because like the movement right down here, you know? It's way too volatile today. Honestly, I don't like the movements of anything here, to be honest with you. But we will continue to see if we could find a setup. Market's moving sideways a little bit too right now, so. Market's trying to move down, but there's a lot of potential to move back into a box and start moving to an upside too. So we gotta consider that. Downside is definitely more dominant, I would say. That's why I drew so many blue lines, but as I said, we still have potential moving back into a box, you know? So just be aware of that too. And you see like the range, this is like 100 points and another 100 points movement. It's like crazy. So yeah, Definitely trade with small contracts. If you took a win already, that should be good for today, but let me know overall in the chat, like what you guys got. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Very crazy movement, but downside's more dominant, honestly. So if you want to trade the downside, you will be in a much better position. Like, yeah, even one M&Q is kind of crazy today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's just like crazy movement. So I mean, overall, what do I think it's going to happen? I mean, if a pullback happens, you're at a loss. So I wouldn't really take anything as of this moment. Unless you just want, like, it's kind of like a gamble today. Like, even tiny movements, it's like huge, you know? Like, just not worth it in my opinion. So, market never had that happen, unless a bit of a while ago. Like, it's like this kind of condition never happened that much. But I think yesterday huge change was put into like the U.S. Law or something like that. They passed a lot of laws and stuff, so the market's just kind of just dumping. It's like pricing in, like, company won't really do well with like a lot of like the changes short term. Like long term, I still think the market's gonna be bullish with Trump in office, but as of right now, the laws and stuff is not doing so well with the people because people like to trade with emotion, you know? And there's not really any logic to it. I mean, some of you guys might have shorted again, but these are all the levels. I'm still looking at more downside, to be honest with you guys. But don't want to see it tap into here right now. So it taps above, you could see bullish volume coming in. Yeah, all these levels could potentially be targeted, so you just gotta scalp along the way. It's actually really easy to trade in this kind of volume because it moves really fast. You just got exit really fast. It takes position off. Don't want to see any rejection. Just exit here. You know, it's actually really easy. I already made a huge amount of gains just by using this like trend volume down like movements. You know, it's actually not hard as long as you're not in like, as long as today is not in range, you should be able to make a huge amount of money today, you know? Like if it's moving in range or if it's rejecting, like just rejecting, don't trade these kind of volume ever. Because like the position, the range, the amount of points there is huge, you know? So yeah, trade alongside with like just ride the wave and just kind of just catch volume today. Did any of you guys get this, any of like these wins right here? Like the second range is 100 more points right here. Just let me know if you guys caught the all the analysis, the levels I drew out. Yeah, as of right now, we could see a potential continuation downward. But you see it's at a level, it could go either direction. It could go up or down right now. So I'm still looking at more downsides, but yeah. Yeah, if you're up today, I would suggest you guys don't trade anymore. Like right now, it's just very uncertain. Also, the thing about today is like, don't try to believe today's condition is like, that means you're um profitable at trading, because the range is huge, right? Even tiny bits of movement could get you a lot of profit or a lot of loss. Yeah, a lot of downside. A lot of downside. I still do see it going even more down, but as of right now, we are reaching at a potential resistance right here. So let's see. Let's see. All these lines are potential rejection levels, so just be aware of that. Each line it hits is a rejection level. So you just gotta take profits along the way, you know? Another take profit point hit, easy profit. Everyone should be making profits right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's just like very easy. Like very easy money right here. Like this kind of market is the best performing market if you don't trade in like a consolidation. You see like the market is trending downward, right? Overall, as long as you don't trade the pullback and as long as you don't try to like make the full range, you should be able to scalp a lot of money in the market today. Next scalp potentially happening soon. You can see. We'll see here. And you just got exit rejection really fast. You cut losses, you know? Don't hold on to a position. Like right now, once it becomes too volatile, just exit. There's no point in staying in this kind of condition to try and make extra money. Because you're just going to blow your account, you know? So scalp more to the downside. We'll see here. Potential rejection. So moving to upside now. You'll see. Huge upside potential right now, but could becomes a downside. As of right now, I'm not trading. Don't trade right now. Yeah. I mean, as of right now, just don't trade. So that's good. Yeah, that's good. I mean, Yeah, as of right now, just avoid trading in general. So yeah, right now you should stop, maybe stop trading as of right now. But yeah, overall, a lot of good analysis today. Should still be heading to more. I'm still looking at more downsides, but as I said, right now it looks like it's much in range. Like the market doesn't know which direction to head to. It could head either direction. So right now, just cut out any trading. And it closed really badly, so we could see some bullish volume coming in. A lot of bullish volume, crazy volume. Yeah, another win for myself as well. So it's like very easy though, very easy, but very easy to lose as well. Very easy to win, very easy to lose. So yeah, just move alongside with the volume and you should be fine. Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, as of right now, just don't trade as of right now. Yeah. Yeah, it did say this rejection was going to happen soon, so. Yeah, I don't really want to ride the wave right now. There's too many highs here, so just try to avoid trading right now. So, yeah. Shit's still going higher. Yeah, right now it's like time, just don't trade. It's like if you get a drawdown, you're gonna lose all your profits, so don't trade right now. I would just call it in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna stay on for 5 more minutes and I'm just gonna call it. As I said, any pullback, don't trade. Don't trade pullback, don't trade consolidation and trend days like this. This is trend day. You just gotta focus on the volume, right? When the volume comes in, just follow the volume and don't try to aim for as much as you can. As soon as you see a loss in volume and stuff, exit position. Like volume coming in, you should be able to long and then you exit at every single levels. It's really simple day to trade in. And yeah, usually market news and stuff don't worry too much about, like, only people who buy stocks worry too much about like long-term things. We're day traders. We focus on the short technicals of the market, and most of the time you can make a huge chunk just off the technical. Fundamental does generally gives us a idea of where the market potentially could be heading to, but overall, I wouldn't be too worried about whatever Trump is putting into market or whatever is happening. Except you don't trade the news. That's one thing what we don't want to do. Could see just upsides till like, yeah, right now don't trade. Just don't trade. Don't want you guys to lose profit. So yeah, rejection, consolidation, and any sort of resistance, I would just try to avoid the market, because the reason behind it is we don't really want to have this entire buffer for a loss. Like, it's just huge. We just kind of want to catch the middle of the action. We don't want to try to catch a top. And you could usually tell when the market's at its top, like right now. Like, say the market could potentially dump down, but it could continue higher too. But overall, I do see it heading up here potentially. You'll see. overall I see it heading up here, but as I said, we do not want any like huge buffer for losses, you know? We want trade volume. So when volume comes in, you could long, but even if you see a tiny bit of rejection, you just got exit position. So like I'm continuously scalping right now. Like it's really simple, you know? If you see a tiny bit of like any loss of volume, just exit position. It's really that simple. So be on for like 3 more minutes and we should be good to go for today. I would suggest not putting in any more position, but I'm just seeing my overall level being hit like up here, what I said it's going to, but and everyone start screenshotting your wins and post it soon. So you just want to watch the last movement. I'm not even trading anymore right now. But if you want to take a long, like it's definitely like more movements, you know? Potentially exit point right now, potential exit, but you would definitely hit where these I said it would go to potentially. We're going to watch right now. Alright, point is hit. Alright, we are done for today. Easy day for us. I mean, for people who just are scared in the market, don't be scared. Literally just follow instruction and we're done for today. Easy market. I'm going to stop the stream.